since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely. A warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the blower and heater receptacle in this NuTone Bath Fan, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, needle nose pliers, and a 3/8 inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the power supply to the fan. Using a flathead screwdriver, compress the locking tab to release the lens cover from the grill assembly. Unscrew the light bulb. While securing the grill and reflector assembly with your hand, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, loosen and unscrew the acorn nut. Unplug the reflector assembly from the light receptacle and remove the reflector assembly. Unplug the exhaust fan from the fan receptacle. Using the 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the hex head screw located on the exhaust fan housing and pull down the housing. Depending on the wiring, pull down and unscrew the wire nuts that contain the white neutral wire and the black and red hot wire. Unplug the blower and heater receptacle. You can use needle nose pliers for easier handling. With needle nose pliers and a flathead screwdriver, squeeze the tabs that are securing the receptacle and pry out the blower and heater receptacle. Take out the new blower and heater receptacle from the packaging. Feed the wire ends of the new blower and heater receptacle through the receptacle socket. Firmly push in until it snaps in place. Combine the white wires together and screw on the wire nut. Gently pull to make sure they are secure in the wire nut. Repeat the process for the black and red wire, then tuck them into the bath fan housing. Now, using needle nose pliers, plug in the blower and heater into the blower and heater receptacle. With the exhaust fan housing, insert the metal tabs into the mounting holes nearest to the fan shroud on the bath fan housing. While supporting the exhaust fan housing, insert the hex head screw and start it. This will hold the exhaust fan housing in place. Tighten the hex head screw with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Plug the fan into the fan receptacle. Plug the reflector assembly into the light receptacle. With the grill assembly in hand, feed the reflector assembly through the grill assembly center opening. Support the grill assembly and center it over the bath fan housing. Insert the reflector assembly, screw on the acorn nut, and tighten with a 3/8 inch nut driver. Screw the light bulb into the light socket. Hook one of the tabs of the lens cover into the notch on the grill assembly and firmly press the opposite side of the lens cover to snap the other tab into place. Turn the power supply back on, and the bath fan should be ready for use.